So the first thing I'm going to be talking about is the resources for behavioral sciences. I am somebody who believes that you shouldn't be using too many resources to study for anything. You should be using less things. You should be doing them very well. Okay. I believe that you shouldn't be using too many resources to study for anything. Okay. No matter whether it be medical school, whether it be USMLE, or whether it be any other exam. And this is something that I've strongly believed in since the beginning. Also did very well in my medical school. I used to always be in the top two, and this is the mantra that I followed at that time. It doesn't matter if you're using your British or Russia or you're using Grey's Anatomy. You have to make sure that you are doing whatever one resource that you're doing very, very, very well, and you're revising only that and going into the depth of only that. Okay, so to that end, not only for behavioral science but for any other subject, I would recommend only three resources. First of all, would be the first aid for USMLE Step 1, which is literally the first aid and the Bible for this exam. If you know this book in and out, you are going to do well. Just trust me. That is one thing that you absolutely need.